How to inspect element on Google Chrome Android. So if you want to inspect the element on Google Chrome Android, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the link in the description where you'll get this kind of interface. So you just need to simply go and copy the Java code. So you just need to simply copy it. Once you've copied, now you just need to simply go with your browser and go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and then go with bookmarks. And you can simply go with a bookmark or go with edit bookmark. Once you're under the edit bookmark, now you just need to simply change the name. So the name is for example inspect element, and go with URL, remove the URL, and then paste the JavaScript that you've just copied, and then just go back. Now your bookmark has been saved, right? So you just need to simply go back again, and here you just need to simply search for a website. So I'll be just choosing a random one, and after that go with the search. Under search you can simply search for inspect element or the name that you've just saved, and go with the bookmark. And under the bookmark you will have an arrow on the right side, right? So you can simply go with that arrow, and once you click on the code, a settings icon will be appeared on the bottom of your screen, right? You just need to simply click on that settings icon, and that's it. You'll get the inspect element. So that's how you can inspect element on Google Chrome on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.